Tukun? Are you all fine? Yes, right? So today's video is about how to introduce the alphabet as well as the phonetic sound of each letter to your tiny one. This is a continuation of my previous video, that is how to introduce the alphabet using a small simple stories. And in that video I have already completed A, B and C letter, and in this video I'll be introducing some more letters with a small story. So let's see that. Now how to introduce letter D. Yes, as I always says, capital D as mummy D and the small d as baby D. Here the story is, this is the way you can teach your kids so that they will not forget the phonetic sound of each letter as well as the sounds of each letter. So let me introduce letter D. Once there was a big musical party. Yes, all the kids, all the alphabets, they were all playing with the musical instrument nicely. Here the baby D, she was really upset. You know why? Because she is not having any instrument and her mommy was keep watching her. Yes, my daughter is really upset, right? So I want to do something. Then the mommy D turned herself into a big drum like this. How? Yes, this is a big drum. Right. Now the mummy D is ready with her drum and she called baby D. Baby D, now can you play? Baby D is ready and she started playing the drum like D, D, D. What was the sound she made? D, D, D. Now you can ask your kids to just keep making the sound of D, D, D. That is the sound of D. Phonetic sound of D is D, D, D. And when she started playing the music, what? The sound D, D, D. Everyone started watching them. Yes. So what was the sound she made? Yes, it's D, D, D. D, D, D. D, D, drum. Now letter E. Mummy E, baby E. When I introduce letter E, I always take stories in such a way that I'll be connecting with a real life situation so that our kids won't forget the letter as well as the sounds of each letter. And this is how I introduce letter E. Once mummy E and baby E were going for a shopping. As usual, we all take our children to the shopping, right? What do? While seeing a toy, they just want to buy that. Here the same thing. Baby E saw a toy and she said, I want to buy this toy, mommy. Mommy said, no, it's not possible right now because it's too costly. I cannot buy the toy for you. Baby E started crying. Mommy E said, no, I'll get you this later. Right? I'll get you the toy later. Baby E did not obey and she started screaming loudly this, that. And mommy really got angry and mommy E started screaming saying, yay. Mommy said, yay. Yes, when we are angry, what we will do? We will say, yay, stop crying. Then baby E stopped crying. So what is the sound of E? Yes, it's yay. Okay? Yes, with an angry face we should say yay. What is the sound of E? Yay. So here we have capital S as well as small f, mummy F and baby F, and this is the way I introduce letter F and the phonetic sound of letter F. So once there was a magic show and mummy F and baby F were there in the show. A magician came and asked this baby F, hey baby F, what do you want? Baby F said, yes, I want a fish. Baby F said, I want a fish. Magician said, yes, of course I can give you a fish. Just see, just close your eyes and see. You can see a beautiful fish. Yes, can you see this fish? Yes, yes, this is the fish for you. Baby F opened her eyes. She said, wow, that's a beautiful fish. And what about my mummy? Where is she? She was started searching. She started searching her mummy. And magician said, I don't know. She started crying, yes, I want my mommy back. I just want my mommy back. Magician said, don't worry, baby. Just do blow. Just blow yourself. How? How to blow? Yes. Simple. And baby have started blowing this fish. How? Now what is it? You can see who's this? Yes, now you can see your mommy back. And baby bee is so happy. Right? So what is the sound of F? Phonetic sound of F? It's fish. Right? So friends, are you all ready to teach your child? I will see you all in my next video with some more letters as well as the phonetic story for you all. So take care. Bye bye.